Good morning, children. This is chapter number 3 of class 4. Now, today we are going to start chapter number 3 of moral science. Okay, this is chapter number 3 of moral science, and the name of the chapter is healthy living. So, children, already we have completed 2 chapters that we have completed in Google Meet. So, today I am sending you the video. So, because we don't have the Google Meet classes now, so I am sending you the video. So this is the chapter healthy living. So as we know, children, our health is wealth. Means if we are healthy, so we are the happiest person in the world. And if we have some diseases, every time we have to run to the doctors, so we don't feel happy. So if our health is okay, we are the very lucky person in the world. So now health, they are just like two sides of a coin, good health and a healthy living. Good health and a healthy living, they are just like the two sides of a coin, because if your health is good, then healthy living, if you are falling, then on your health is good. So to keep our body healthy, what we should do, we should clean our body, we should eat good food, we should have good habits, and we should always keep our mind clean. Now these points we are going to discuss now in the further chapter. So first is the clean body. So as we know, children, morning when we wake up, as you can see in the picture, we should brush our teeth, because when we are brushing our teeth, so whatever the bacteria are present in our mouth, harmful bacteria present in our mouth, they will not enter the stomach. If we are brushing our teeth, we are spitting them. So if we are brushing our teeth every day, so it means we are cleaning our mouth, we are washing our mouth properly, we are not sending the bacteria into our stomach. And as well as it, if we are brushing our teeth, we are making our teeth strong. So we should make our teeth strong, we should brush every day. Now second thing is that we should take a bath every day. Why we should take a bath every day? Just to keep our body clean. So we should not take a bath in hurry. Whenever we are washing, we should use a soap. We should rub our body, and in a gentle way we should rub our body, and we should not in our body well to remove the dirt and excess of water. Okay, we after taking a bath, we should wipe our body, and we should always keep our hairs clean. We should wash our hairs with a shampoo at least twice a week. So third thing is that we should trim our nails. We should always trim our nails. Why we should trim our nails? Because nails, they contain germs. Okay, and whenever we are eating food, we are touching our mouth, those germs enter inside our body. So it can lead to many type of diseases. The fourth point is wash your hands. Every time we have to wash our hand. So why we should wash our hand? Because when we are washing our hand before meal, after meal, so what we are doing, we are just removing the germs from our body. So to remove the harmful germs from our hands, we should always wash our hands. We should always wear clean clothes. First thing is that when we are wearing clean clothes, we keep ourselves smart. And when we are not wearing clean clothes, so if someone sees us, so they will what they will think, that this child is not clean, he is not wearing clean clothes. So always we should wear clean clothes, because if we wear good clothes, clean clothes, then we look smart, है ना? And dirty clothes always make us look dirty, especially the undergarments, clothes, socks, it should be properly washed. Because, and we should always carry a handkerchief, means the hanky, with us, because whenever we have to wipe our mouth, whenever we have to clean our hands, always we should use a healthy good handkerchief. So always we should keep a handkerchief in our pocket. Now next is the good food. Now what is a good food? As you are studying in your science also, that we should always eat a healthy food, we should always take a balanced diet. So if we take a balanced diet, if we are taking a healthy food, so why we are taking a healthy food? Because that healthy food is providing nutrient to us in an adequate quantity, in a proper quantity. So which type of good food we should eat? We should eat bread, grains, beans, milk product, curd, and paneer, even the milk also, green vegetables, lentils. So lentils means the sprouts, dal that we eat. So we should eat all the things. So if we are eating all the things in a proper way, our body becomes healthy. Next is, if we should always eat cereals. Cereals means just like oats we eat, okay, and maize, bajra, potatoes, pasta, rice, etc. We should take milk, we should eat butter, fruits, vegetables, and those who are non-vegetarians, they can eat meat, fish, etc. Cake, biscuits, ice creams, we should eat, but not in a too much amount. Just only for the taste we should eat. Now next is the good habit. Now what are the good habits? Nowadays you all are staying at home. So what we are doing? We are waking up late. But it's a bad habit. We should wake up on time. We should get up early in the morning. We should go to bed at night on time. Okay, so because 6 to 8 hours sleep is very, very important for us. So we should wake up early in the morning. We should go to bed at night on time. We should do the regular physical exercises. Those days we are missing all these things, but we should do exercise at least for half an hour in the morning. We should be cheerful. Always we should be cheerful means we should always be happy. We should go for a morning walk, but nowadays we can't go for a morning walk, but at least we can do the physical exercises at our home. We should be punctual. We should do our all activity on time. We should keep our surroundings clean. Always we should keep our surroundings clean. Where we are staying, outside our house, inside our house, always we should keep the surroundings clean. So these are the good habits. If we are going to opt these good habits, definitely we will become a healthy person. If suppose in the surrounding many germs are there, so definitely those germs will create many diseases to us. So we should always keep our surroundings clean. We should be happy, because when we feel happy, our mind becomes relaxed and we can do our work properly. We should take a walk properly, so that we can do the physically the muscles they pull, and so they get energy. So we should always follow these good habits. Next is the clean mind. Now what is that clean mind? Healthy mind dwells a healthy body. What does it mean? Healthy mind dwells a healthy body means our mind controls our all the actions. Okay, sometime it happens that sometime you want to watch TV for a long time, but your mama say that don't watch TV for a long time. So what you do? You just request your mother, mama, please, I will watch TV. I will watch only one serial. I will just watch it for 1 hour. So at that time, what should we do? We should prepare our mind that my mother is saying not to watch TV, so I will not watch. I will just switch off the TV, and whatever she is saying to do, that work I will do. So what is that? Your action. The action that you have taken, that action is under the control of your mind. Okay, so you must keep it your mind fit. So if you are listening others, if you are always happy, calm, means you never get excited for little things. Okay, you are very kind to others, you are always helping others, you are always whatever you say, that is always true. So always, if you are following these habits, your mind is always cool, your mind is always filled with love, affections for other. We should not we should not hate others. We should not do this angerness we should not show in our body. We should not be selfish. If we have such type of habit, so we are always we are making our body weak. So we should not get angry, we should listen to others, we should always be calm, we should always be in a happy mood. So a clean and a healthy mind keep you alert. If we are happy, then our mind becomes alert, and that help us to concentrate in our work. Whatever we want to do, that help us to concentrate on our work. So always we should be happy, we should be cheerful. So because remember this, when you cry alone. When you laugh, the whole world laugh with you. When we are happy, the whole world is happy with us. So always keep smiling. It is a good habit. Okay. Now our body, and if we are happy, it keeps our mind and body always happy. So just always, whatever you want to say to your parents, if they are asking you something, if you have done something wrong, so always tell the truth. If you are telling the truth to your parents, if you are doing good things, if you are always keeping happy, you are not showing your angerness on others, so that means you are always a happy person. Now we should laugh, we should always, we should have such type of nature that where we stay, the atmosphere becomes atmosphere becomes happy. So we should always have the clean mind, we should always have the kind mind. Okay, so for keeping our body, our mind kind, what we have to do? Forgive all those who hurt you. Okay, those who are hurting you. Suppose you have a fight with your friend, your sibling, so forgive them. So forgiveness always makes you happy. Honesty, you should be honest. As I told you, whatever you are saying, if someone is asking you something, so always say the truth. So always when you say the truth, that will keep your mind healthy. You should not be dishonest. Dishonest means, honesty means imandari. Imandari means whatever you are saying, that is, or whatever you are doing, that is always correct. So you always follow honesty. Don't be dishonest. Now, when you are angry, okay, sometimes if you are getting angry on others, just like you can see in this picture, if you are getting angry on others, in a simple way you calm yourself. Okay, if you are having that anger in you, you are just trying to say something to others, so what you have to do, you have to just keep your mind cool, count from 1 to 10 and get relaxed, or either you drink a glass of water. So if you are following this thing when you are getting angry, so definitely you will feel better. Praying to God always makes you relax and peaceful. So you should always pray to God. Always, when you wake up in the morning, when you go to bed, and morning prayers and evening prayers that we do, always we should do that prayer, because it will make us relax and peaceful. So we should have a positive mind. Positive mind means always we should think positive. If you will think positive, thinking positive means whenever we are thinking something, that if it will happen like this, it will happen like this, if I will do like this, it will happen, if I will not study, I will not get good marks. But if you will think in your mind that I will study and I will study properly, definitely I am going to get good marks. So that positivity will definitely bring good marks. So always we should have the positive thinking. Always the useless thoughts that comes in our mind, we should not think about them. Okay, many things comes in our mind. So when things comes in our mind, only we should thought about those things, we should think about those things which are useful to us. Otherwise we should not think silly things. Okay, next is Gandhiji said, okay, Gandhiji said, see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. See, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत बोलो. Okay, we have heard that Gandhiji is having 3 monkeys and they were following that same thing. So we should have the clean mind. Now laughter therapy. Now you can say this person is in the hospital. Now he is not well. So what his name is Dr. Norman. He is suffering from some disease. So he went to America for some this treatment. Now here the doctor, he has the pain, he was very upset, but still what he was doing, he was watching TV, and in TV he watched those things which makes him happy. So always he is trying to happy, and he is trying to forgive his thoughts, negative thoughts. So after some time he had recovered, and when he have recovered, when he laugh a lot, he talk with the persons a lot, and after that he was recovered. So what we have learned from that story, that laughing is a therapy, like a medicine, which is very very useful to us. So always we should make good atmosphere, we should keep our body clean, we should make a good atmosphere around us. So definitely we will be the happiest person in the life. So this is all about the chapter, children. I will send you the question and answers, and just see the video properly. Thank you, children.